At Vlassenroot, we believe tiny details make a world of difference. Like the microscopic neurons in our brain that generate original ideas. Or the way a delicate weld holds an entire structure together. We are experts in building complex steel structures to meet challenging requirements, while focusing on safety, sustainability, quality, and precision. We know how to transform all kinds of steel, from basic to speciality. We cut, we bend, we weld, we manufacture, we assemble, and we paint. We enable our customers to build stronger and reach further. We achieve this by investing in skilled people and sensible technologies to produce components of exceptional dimensions and narrow tolerances. Although we look tough on the outside, we listen and we innovate to turn ideas into a reality that's future-proof, because our ultimate goal is a sustainable long-term partnership with you. Let's build together.